You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the
Guys,
top.
today I'll show you how we process tea, like how we pluck and the process of taking to the factory. And this is already plucked tea. Yeah. So I'm going to show you how we do it here in the village in Kenya. So come with me. So we are here with Mr. Rogendo and he will guide us on how we pluck tea. This one?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. That one.
So like that.
The mature ones.
Here or here?
Here.
Ah, okay. Oh,
Yeah,
and this one.
yeah, there, yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay, that.
yeah.
This.
This one, yeah,
Okay, and this.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like that.
So it has to be
Two leaves and
two
a
leaves.
bud.
And so these are three.
Those are good.
So this one, no need.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So
and that,
this one, no need. So two leaves and
and a bud.
bud. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So this is how we do it, guys. Okay, then.
Kenya is one of the largest producer and exporter of tea, which is widely considered as the best in the world because of its high levels of antioxidant, distinctive taste, quality, and characteristics. It has full-bodied flavor, or should I say, robust, rich flavor.
And how come everybody is like this? I cannot see it. I have to. Oh my God.
Experience.
What?
Yeah. Experience.
Wow.
You'll find beautiful landscapes with carpet-like plantations because of Kenya's deep, fertile, reddish-brown soil, which has very high mineral content, and tea bushes thrive in this kind of soil. And this helps to increase quality of Kenya's tea, and quality is achieved as well by high altitude of where tea is grown here in Kenya.
Already they have done from that area, show them from there going up this area. So after we are done with this area, we are going to go to the tea buying center. So guys, now we are done and we'll go to the tea buying center. I want to show you some how it looks like. So it looks like so. Yeah. Center is like a few minutes from here. That's where we are going now.
As you know, tea can be manipulated by either chemical or mechanical processes to taste a certain way, but here in Kenya, it is grown, harvested, and dried by farmers, tasting that robust, rich flavor of Kenyan land.
Nendwe kamwanga. Rona bani wira ri wengi no ha ke wira wa ri.
Follow like here. You cannot just follow the other person. So we are just waiting here. So the first thing when we come here, we have to like spread the tea leaves. Then they will check like whether it is okay for sorting. After that, we keep. So guys, now we are done with the tea. It's here now. We have our cages. So what we are going to do now is wait for the money, end month. We are paid every month and every year. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time. Subscribe, like, and in below comment and ask anything about Kenya. This is Kenya Village Life. Thank you so much.